Bye, Emeryville. We will see you in 2.5 weeks.
Thursday, September 7th.
Yes.
8:10 a.m. Running a little late.
That's
Getting
fine.
out of the house.
Did our normal Thursday morning 5 a.m. workout at Orange Theory, and now we are heading to work. We have about 2/3 of a day, and our flight is at 5:30. We're going down to San Diego, Patch's wedding, and then we go to Europe for 2 weeks. The adventure starts right now.
Are you sure you don't want to eat it?
Am I what?
Nothing. It's really good. All done.
Airport.
It's the international terminal that we don't get to fly out.
She saw me off last year from this terminal. Right now, we are headed down to... I mean, that kind of luggage. I'm not surprised. We're headed down to San Diego now. Our work day is over. Our work is over for 2 weeks. Look at how awesome this terminal is. So as I was saying, we are headed down to San Diego for my friend Steve's wedding, Steve and Stacy. I was just gonna say we should go to the animal relief area before we left the house. I wanted her to bet me that her current neck pillow would not make it through the entire trip, as in we'd ditch it somewhere.
I didn't even bother bringing it.
You didn't bring it?
No.
Oh.
I didn't bring it, so no bet.
Oh. Well, that's lame. So now she's looking for travel pillows. San Diego. And a puppy. He's so...
Big boy or girl? It's so funny.
5 stars. 5 stars Enterprise. You do good work. In and out, 5 minutes, no problems, no paperwork. Literally just go, get the car, get out. Excellent.
Are your lights on?
Nope. Now they are.
We're heading to pick up his mom, and then we'll be having dinner with my mom. And that is our evening. Damn it, train.
Another beautiful San Diego day. Good dinner with the collective moms last night. So Andrea went down to her mom's house to sleep there because she hasn't spent time alone with her mom in a long time. So we felt it's probably best for her to do that. I'm now on a mission. I have some precious cargo to pick up at my brother's house that I got when we were down here a couple weeks ago. So now I have to go pick that up. Hi, Mowgli.
Hi, Barney.
Hi, buddy. Oh, hi, Mowgli, Mowgli. Hi, Mowgli, Mowgli, Mowgli. Back corner, hidden by stuff. There it is. Richie. Bye, Mowgli. Operation successful. Package has been retrieved. Now I just gotta get back home before Andrea gets done with her hair. And then we go out to Ramona for Steve and Stacy's wedding. It's gonna be hot. It's already like mid to high 70s here. I can't even imagine what it's gonna be out there in the desert.
Good afternoon. Saturday, September 8th. Nope, Friday. September 8th. It is 12:45 p.m. PST. We are headed to the wedding.
Oh, we're gonna start doing time zones now because we're gonna be doing a bunch of different time zones.
I mean, I guess, yeah? No?
Like 2 or 3 time zones, but
anyway. We are headed to the wedding. It's about to be an hour drive. It's hot. My hair's done. So.
AC on full blast.
AC on full blast. According to the car, it's 28 degrees Celsius. So I don't really know what that means in degrees. But
in real degrees.
In degrees.
In American degrees.
American degrees, yes. So I got my hair done, had coffee and a little breakfast with my mom, hung out with her while I was getting my hair done, lunch with his mom by the house, and now we're off for an hour drive to Ramona, to the patch made in heaven.
Alrighty, made it to Ramona, to the hotel. Ooh, it's warm out here. Andrea's just finishing up her makeup, and then we're going to go hop on the shuttle to the winery for the wedding and then have fun. I think it'll be good. Sexiest girl at the wedding.
Oh, thank you. To the wedding!
To the wedding!
Let's give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Patch.
12:32 a.m. PST. We are leaving Ramona. Successful wedding.
Excellent wedding.
Excellent wedding. Very small, very intimate.
Yeah.
I couldn't stop crying
Yeah, waterworks all
the whole night. It's really kind of embarrassing. I feel like I can't show up to another wedding. Beautiful Patches. We love you. Congratulations.
In a quarter mile, use any lane to turn right onto San Vicente Road.
That we're going back to San Diego, back to Pacific Beach to go get some lunch with a few of our friends.
And hopefully get some beach time in.
After the wedding, probably about half of the people who were at the wedding were staying at the resort that we were staying at. So we all just went to the hot tub and hung out for probably like an hour or so.
Hot tub time was good.
And I don't remember going to bed.
Somebody was a little hungover this morning.
Yeah. It was tough this morning.
Oh my god. One of the events down.
Yeah.
You're up to go.
Still 2 weeks left in our trip. That's
Yeah.
the crazy
We
thing.
just started.
Are you ready? I don't think you're ready.
I don't think I'm ready. I'm not ready.
Seriously, I don't think you're ready.
Why? It's all the video of me like freaking out excited.
Yeah.
Eyes in wonder.
Yeah. That's good though.
Yes, that's your favorite look.
We came down to Mission Beach after we met up for lunch with the friends, and now we're gonna hang out at the beach for a few hours before people have to leave. Turned out to be a pretty good day. Beautiful.
Hey.
We're getting ready to go to dinner now. Had a great time at the beach, hanging out, got a little surfing in, hanging with some friends that haven't hung with for a while. Surfed with Conan for the first time in probably a decade.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. I think
Yeah.
that was pretty cool. That story that you told me that you guys would always go surfing.
One of the summers between our college years, we decided not to get a job or anything like that. The summer previous, we had both gotten jobs at Fry's and hated it. We decided that year we were just going to go to the beach and surf the entire time. I think that summer, the entire summer, I spent a total of about $200 just because we would eat at one of our other friends' houses for dinner. We would not really eat breakfast. We would do dawn patrol, so you don't really have time to eat. I was staying at my mom's house, so I would eat a banana or something before we went out. Essentially, every day was wake up at around 6, maybe 7, go to the beach, surf for a couple hours, go hang out at our other friend Joe's, play music, play video games, that kind of stuff, go home, sleep, rinse, repeat. That was our summer for almost 3 months.
Rinse and repeat.
Yeah. It was a great summer. Like, I had surfed with him a couple times after that, but since then, like, yeah, it's been pretty close to 10 years that we've been in the water together. We're getting ready for dinner. We're picking up the moms, or rather picking up my mom, meeting her mom someplace in Little Italy. She's always gotta get all done up because her mom shames her if she doesn't.
Shame and guilt, fear and shame. The fundamentals of my childhood raising.
Thank you, Mark, for letting us use your house and your boards and all truck
And the showers. Thanks,
and the
Lauren.
shower, yeah. Had a great dinner with her family and my mom. Went to this ramen slash poke bowl place. It was really We are back at her mom's and we leave in the morning for LA.